How to store garlic for long time in fridge. To store garlic long-term in the fridge, keep it in an airtight container and cover peeled or chopped garlic with olive oil or vinegar to preserve it for months. For even longer storage, you can peel and freeze minced garlic in portions in a sealed bag, or pickle whole cloves in vinegar. For long-term storage, vinegar or oil preservation. Place peeled garlic cloves in a jar and cover them with olive oil, vinegar, or wine. You can add salt or chili peppers for flavor. Ensure the cloves are fully submerged and store tightly sealed in the refrigerator. Freezing. Peel the cloves. For minced garlic, place it in a Ziploc bag, spread it into a thin, even layer, and press out as much air as possible before sealing. To make it easier to scoop out portions, you can use a chopstick to divide the frozen garlic into sections. Pickling. Soak whole bulbs to soften the skins, peel the cloves, and rinse them. Place the clean cloves in a jar, cover them completely with vinegar, seal the lid, and store in the fridge. For shorter storage, peeled cloves. Store in an airtight container or a sealed plastic bag in the refrigerator for up to a week. Chopped or minced garlic. Store in an airtight bag or small jar and use within 3 days to avoid discoloration.